Hi everyone, it's BellaGemaNails, and today we're going to be doing a review and giveaway of these adorable Glamermaid Press-On Nails. If you want to learn how to enter and if you want to see what I have to say about these nails, just keep on watching. So the first set I have is the one that I'm actually wearing, and I really love this set because of the color combination, and I've always loved the pop art nails. I just never created them myself. I'm always very apprehensive about collaborating with the nail brand simply because I find the nails to be usually very flimsy and thin. Not like these. These are actually much thicker than your standard drugstore nails or even online nails, and they're not gel, but they're still very thick and substantial, so these will actually last. I did go through the process of filing my nail, rubbing it with an alcohol swab, and then pushing back my cuticle and using adhesive tabs, which I never do. It did come in the kit and I used it, and they are on solid. So this is the first set, and I really love this one. So originally I was going to pop these on because I really liked them. They're the S&M Bondage nails, and they are really cute. They have like the stockings with the garter, a heart here, stockings with the garter. Each nail is pretty much different, so you can have each nail a different design. These are the thumbs, the middle. You'll have to file them to fit sometimes, but you do get quite a bit of nails per each pack. You get 24 nail pieces, and then you get 48 adhesive tabs, which I think is really cool. Okay, so this is the next one. It's so pretty. It has some abstract designs here. It has a leaf, it has a hand, and then some abstract leaf designs here as well. I love the design of this nail. It is very unique, and I like the shape as well. It is oval. They have various shapes online. They have long coffin, they have medium coffin, square, they have stiletto, oval, and squoval. So whatever it is that you like, they have it available. This next one I have is really cute. This one is a Pikachu cartoon theme. It has a flower with a smiley face. It has the nail with the heart here, and then it has a purple with star design, and it has a cow print. Now, some of these matte nails have like a texture, kind of velvety like this one. I think it's very unique, and I actually love how they feel. These are the long stilettos, and I really like the design, and I thought they were really cute, and they are also thick. I opened each of the designs to see what the texture was like and to see how thick they were, and I was very pleased with the quality. I really loved this design. It's very hippie. It has the happy faces. It looks very psychedelic to me, and I loved the design. So they have various styles of design. They have a cartoon, they have cat eyes, they have flames, they have French tips, they have marble, they have ombre, they have solid colors, and they have the thermo color changing designs. So there's a lot to choose from. This is one of my favorites. I really liked the colorful happy faces, and I like the tone of color they used with the white base. I really love this one. It is also matte. They are also thick. They are long, and I'm excited to pop these on as well. This one was also a favorite because I loved the combination of the heart with the eye, and it has a checkered pattern here and then a lightning bolt nail. I love the color combination here. These are also matte. They have that like velvety texture. They are also thick, and I'm a big fan of these as well. These are the short square ones. This is not usually a style of nail or cut of nail that I wear, but I thought they were really adorable. They have a tie-dye pink and white effect, and then that yellow happy faces. I have a lot of nails with happy faces. I guess that's the theme I'm going for this season, but I think it's really adorable if you're into like the hippie tie-dye look. So this set I absolutely adore. It is an oval shaped nail. It is shorter. The shorter nails tend to be a bit thinner because they want it to lay flat on your nail bed close to your cuticle. So they're a little bit thinner, but still the top of it is thick, and then the base tends to get a little thinner as with most press-ons, but still they're more substantial in weight and in texture than those of a drugstore brand, so I really appreciate that. This one has the evil eye with the little star here, and I like the color combination of the turquoise and gray. They are also matte, and they have that velvety texture. I really love this set as well. I think it is very unique and very cool to have nothing but eyes on your fingers, especially the evil eye. Okay, so I saved the best for last. I love these nails. Now, growing up, I wasn't the biggest Spongebob fan, but as of the last 2 years, I kind of am. And so when I saw these, I had to snatch them up. Most of the nails that I chose are from the cartoon section because that's my sense of humor. I like them to be funny. I like them to be cute if they're not going to be 3D. If they're going to be 3D, I want them over the top. If they're not going to be 3D, I want them to be comical and I want them to be cute. So tell me this is an adorable set. Little SpongeBob, Gary, Patrick, and Patrick. And I mean, who doesn't love Patrick and SpongeBob? I mean, I wish I had Squidward in here. But anyway, nonetheless, one of my favorites, and I'm really excited to wear these nails. Now, let's get into the giveaway. So, Glamermaid will be giving away 10 sets of nails to my lucky subscribers, either 3 or 4 winners I will choose. I don't know yet. You have to have an Instagram page and it must be public and not private. I do contact you through DM if you are a winner, as well as the description link down below. I will contact you as well. You have to thumbs up the video. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. That is very important if you're going to enter. You have to follow BellaGemaNails on Instagram as well. And in the comments down below in this video, please let me know that you're entering. And also, in parentheses, put your Instagram name. Okay, I'll put an example here so you know what I'm talking about. Do not link your page down below because YouTube will automatically spam you. If you are one of the chosen winners, I will have your Instagram name in the comments section and I will send you a DM directly. And from then on, I will ask for your email and gather your information. If you want to be ahead of everything and everyone, please make sure you send me a DM on Instagram just to let me know that you entered on YouTube and provide your YouTube channel name. So I appreciate you all watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed this giveaway and I look forward to hosting many more. I thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.